Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use and understand TradingView. TradingView is a powerful online platform for charting and analyzing financial markets. It provides real-time data for various assets, including stocks, cryptocurrencies, and forex. You can access a wide array of tools to help you make informed trading decisions. Let's dive into its core features and how to get started. Navigating charts is simple. You can easily switch between chart types like candlesticks or line charts to suit your analysis style. TradingView offers over 100 technical indicators to help you spot trends and patterns. Plus, a comprehensive set of drawing tools, from trend lines to Fibonacci retracements, allows for detailed market analysis. You can also adjust timeframes from 1 minute to 1 month. Beyond the basics, TradingView offers powerful advanced features. You can create personalized watch lists to keep an eye on your preferred assets and set custom price alerts to notify you of significant market changes. For those who want to dive deeper, Pine Script allows you to write your own indicators and strategies. You can even backtest your trading ideas using historical data. TradingView isn't just a charting platform. It's also a vibrant community. You can connect with millions of traders and investors worldwide, sharing your analysis and learning from their insights. The platform provides extensive educational resources and a constant stream of trading ideas. This collaborative environment helps you discover new strategies and gain fresh market perspectives, enhancing your overall trading journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.